What up, M Squad, and welcome back to the channel. Today, you guys. Okay, so anyways, I had to do a little pause. I'm just gonna cut that out. Anyway, so I put up like a little miniature video the other day. I wanted to record my entire situation when I went to Walmart, but I wasn't able to do that. It was raining pouring. So I actually have my iPad with me, which I'm recording on now. At the time, it was just too much to deal with. Didn't want to get my iPad damaged and all that stuff. Then, as you can see, I went to Tyson's beauty supply store. That place is huge. It used to be, I don't know if y'all remember, like the computer store, H&P. Was it H&P? I forgot. There was an old computer store that used to go and get like any type of electronics. So they actually closed that computer store, and Tyson's Beauty actually took over that particular store. So anyway, so today's video, you guys, I'm actually going to be doing 2 more videos. I'm going to be doing one with my hair, and then I'm going to be doing a Shein try-on haul. But this particular video, I want to show you some of the things that I got from my last video. I did stated that my husband did brought me an iPad, an Apple iPad, 10th generation, and also I'm going to show you some of the things that I actually got with that, and you know, the boxes that it came in. I'm being meant to do this, but hey, I had already set up my iPad and all that stuff. But anyway, let's get to the logistics. If you're new to the channel, hey, welcome to Me and Mommy of 3 YouTube channel. I would love to have you guys. It's free. Hit that little subscribe button, like, share, leave a comment or 2, and let me know what you think of my channel. Also, if you are a supporter of mine, yeah, okay. Thank you guys for returning back. Thank you for all the love and support. I really do appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys on my last video that I uploaded. It's been a while. My mindset with YouTube now has totally changed. So I was talking to my husband about that. I said, when I'm coming back, my mindset is going to be totally different from when I first started off. So anyways, I just want to say thank you for all the support, all the comments, all the likes, the shares, the views. I really do appreciate you guys. Okay, so now that I got that out the way, let me get into the reason for this video, okay? So with my Apple iPad that came with it, I got this off of YouTube. It came with the case that you could put the iPad in. This come with a keyboard. Okay, so up here you can turn it on, and it connects to Wi-Fi as well, so you can see the little lights. And the lights do change. So they do change colors. This LED colors, which I do love. I got this off of Amazon. I think this was like $23, $24. So if you don't want to use like your finger on the screen of the iPad, you can use the keyboard. It connects to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all of that. So like I stated, I got this off of Amazon, and it changes colors, okay? So I got that. And also, I was able to get this Apple pen. So if you don't want to use your fingers, you can use this. I got this with that. And from my last video, y'all seen that I had a case, a cover case for the pen. It was pink. I got that off of Amazon as well, but I actually got this from Best Buy. Best Buy is the place where I got my Apple iPad. They were on sale, so this is the case that it came in, the original case. And I also have this as well. This is where my iPad came in. It came in this particular case. So like I said, it says iPad Wi-Fi. This is 256 gigabytes, pink. So yeah, love that. And there are some other things that I got off of Amazon as well. So this is my case. I got this off of Amazon where I can actually keep my pen and my accessories, my cord. So I got a cord right here to charge up my pen. So the pen that you write with, do the little stylus thing with, it does come with a charger cord because you would definitely need to charge that pen up. This came with the pen as well to cover it up. This comes with the bottom of the pen, but it's so thick to where you got to really press down on the screen. So I said, nah, I'm not gonna deal with that. I just keep it. And then there's some other little things in here that actually charge up the pen itself once I connect it to the charger. So there's all kind of little stuff that you could put in here as well. So I got this off of Amazon. I think I paid maybe like $8 for this little cover. Keep like your little accessories, your cord, your AirPods, your any little charger, little stuff that I can keep with that. Okay, sorry you guys, I'm keep bending down. So I actually got this as well. It's a USB-C multi-port hub with power delivery. So it looks like this. I got this from Best Buy as well. So you can have multiple charging cords, USB cords, HDMI, your iPhone cord to this as well. And an aux cord. You can have your memory card reader writer. So that's attached to this as well. So I think this was like, $30. Yeah, I think this was like $30 at Best Buy. So I got this at the same time where I got my iPad. And this right here is my new thing for my iPad. So right now I have my iPad propped up on some boxes so I can be able to record this video. So I said, you know what? I need like a stand to prop my iPad on so when I record videos, I don't have to worry about propping it on nothing. So this package came today from Amazon. So let's open it. Y'all, so we took over my sister's dog. So we actually, she let the dog come stay with us, right? So any two times that someone knocks on the door, our dog immediately knows there is a package. So as soon as we open the door and we grab the package, she come running to the door and she jumps up for the package. It's like she got to sniff it, she got to touch it, put her paws on it. She gets so excited when packages come in the mail. And I'm like, if any of my supporters or new subscribers, y'all let me know, like, if y'all got animals that do the same thing. I don't know if they like want to smell the scent of it or just, I don't know. But she gets so excited. She was so geeked today. Okay, so this is my tripod stand. So you see right here where you can actually put your iPad on. And also you can put your phone right here in the middle. So right here, if you have like multiple devices that you want to record on. So say for instance, you got your iPad up here. And if you want to put your phone right here, you can actually put your phone right here. So you can record or go live off of 2 different devices at the same time. So this is my tripod stand. It's for a tablet and mobile phone, because that's what it says right here. For a tablet and mobile phone stand. And you can adjust it however you want to adjust it. So it multi-function stand. It rotates 360 degrees. View angle adjustments. It's easy to detach and assemble. Portable handheld, top and hanging. So let me go ahead and open this up for you guys. Okay, so actually it's 306 free rotation. Rotate around 180 and then 180 up and down rotation. So this is what it looks like right here. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this up for you guys. Okay, so it says great for video chat, watching movies, and reading ebooks on the tablet in your home or office. Holds tablet vertical or horizontal. All right, so let me open it up. All right. Okay, so great thing is, like, if you need to travel or you need to like carry this around, it's got like a little case, a little carry thing. You can hold it like this, or you can put it like this. So it comes in this little bag right here, and this is the top of it, and it actually has like a little Velcro stick thing right here where you can just close it up like that. Okay, so let me go ahead and take the pieces out of it. So y'all can see me taking the pieces out. Ooh, okay. It wanted to do the pop up. The pop, 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 pop. Alright, so here's the little instructions, your little manual. It says how to install the phone holder. And it just got little pictures. It really don't too much have that many steps. It's like 1, 2, 3 steps on it. And then it comes like this. A little check mark, green check mark, and an X. Okay. Alright. So let's open this up. Okay. So I assume this is like the bottom part of it. Okay, so yeah, this is the bottom part. Okay, that's too far down. Well, then again, I might need it like this. And then, all right, you guys, let me assemble this right quick. Okay, so, hold on. Let me make sure I got this correctly. All right, so I'm gonna put this in. All right, that don't go like that. Oh, shoot. That went straight through. Oh, hold on, you guys. Hold on. Okay. All right, so this is the part where you can adjust with your tablet. So this goes like this. You can do like the little rotations. You see how it's easily to rotate? Okay, cool. All right, so this. Okay, so this goes like this. So it's easily to assemble. So you just put this little top part right here into this little part right here. Okay. We getting somewhere, you guys. We getting somewhere, okay? We getting somewhere. All right, and then I'm thinking, okay, so yeah. This little part goes into this part right here. And then I'm gonna tighten this up. So you got to tighten it so you can hold it in place. And then I'm gonna stick this part into the bottom piece. And then I'm gonna tighten it once I get it in the bottom piece. Okay, I'm gonna loosen this up a little bit. Okay, now, what's going on? Ooh, about to break it already. Don't want to break. Okay, there it is. All right. So, I'm gonna put this down like this. And adjust, so I'm adjusting this little small piece down at the bottom. All right, and then voila. it's all completed. So my iPad will be going here. And then there's another little piece, I can't find it right now, that goes right here. So my phone will go right here if I want to put it right here. So I got a little piece for right there. And then that's how it looks. Ta-da! So that's it for this video. I just wanted to do like a quick unboxing for you guys to let you know everything that I got. And then I will show y'all my iPad. Once I get everything set up, I will show y'all on what my iPad looks like in the case that I got too as well. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, this quick unboxing, showing you all the little things that I just recently got. And if you have an iPad, just let me know which generation you got, because they coming up with all kind of new ones. There's this one for the Android, the Google Android, and that thing is mad expensive. It's like over $1,000 something. Like, there's some iPads that I saw that was over $1,000 something. I couldn't do it. I'm not about to pay $1,000 something for an iPad. That's mortgage, all kind of payments right there. All kind of bill payments, all in wrapped up in one. But anywho, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment or two and let me know what you think of this video, okay? I will be doing some more videos like this because I got a couple of more packages that's coming, that's on the way, and I will be doing some hauls, some try-on hauls for you guys, some get ready with me's with y'all as well. So up next, I will be doing, y'all might see me with the same black shirt on. I don't care. I'm going to be doing my hair and applying some of the products that my sister have sent me for my hair growth. And I appreciate you guys. Continue to love and support your girl, and I would love and support you guys back. All right, happy Tuesday. Today I'm off on Tuesdays and Saturdays, which I love. It makes the week go by so much faster. Okay, and I appreciate all y'all love and support and y'all comments and y'all prayers for my husband. He's actually doing a whole lot better. The procedure went well. He had 2 procedures last Wednesday, so everything is well. My son, he is now in a cast, and we'll be going back to get him fitted for a boot. So I'm waiting on that. It's about 2 weeks out for his next appointment. But anyways, I appreciate you guys, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye.